Saba Gupta and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. Well, Atosa, I've stocked with the store ever since it started, and in fact it was one of the first stores that I stocked with ever when I made my debut, and it was called Zoya. And so it's one of my favorite stores, and this is where I started off from, and it's a very eclectic store with a great mix of designers, a very strong mix of designers. So it's a store where you essentially find everything. You know, a bit of kitsch and really wearable cottons, saris. At the same time, you find gowns as well. So it's one of my favorite stores actually. What we started doing is that we've started production right after we finished the runway line, so that we're just in time to send up, orders and stuff like that. So we do a medium size line right after we finish production for the Fashion Week line, and so it's always ready. But of course, it's a struggle because you need 25 to 30 pieces, so you're always a little short on time, and after Fashion Week you can hike up production a little bit and just make sure you get at least 30 pieces. Well, actually the summer is about wearing bright pop colors, and also I think we've now sort of started a trend where you see a lot of pop colors happening. So it's something that I think with Indian skin tone is really easy to wear. So if you can mix it up with something toned down like denims or creams and beiges and stuff like that, that's great, because it's really easy to wear with dark skin tone because it looks really nice. Top two things: I think a nice cotton maxi, a white, and I think a pair of linen shorts, like lime green or something.
Hi, I'm Aparna Badlani. I own Atosa. Watch me on MissMalini.com. The preview today is extremely special. We're actually previewing, showcasing 8 designers, most of them from Fashion Week and their Fashion Week collections from the recently concluded Fashion Week, and also launching a fabulous range of textiles from this designer called Shruti Reddy from Delhi. There's a huge buzz really, because everybody who's at Fashion Week and has seen the clothes there is dying to get them immediately before it's too long or it's too late, and it's really great. We've had a great response already for people who are absolutely dying to shop and get their hands on like the latest trends and the latest collections of various designers in such a short span of time, which is almost like just about 2 weeks as a matter of fact. Honestly, the store is about, Atosa is really about is about an eclectic mix of designers. We like interesting designs, interesting styles, interesting shapes and silhouettes. That's what really makes us what we are. So for us, this is home. This is what we're about. From Atosa specifically, definitely a piece of jewelry, because I think the kind of jewelry that we have to offer is absolutely stunning and outstanding. One of a kind completely. Definitely one of the whites, which we have plenty of. Summer is really about lovely whites and lighter fabrics and things like that. So anything from one of the white collections that we have at the store. Definitely be my linen palazzos, my flip-flops, which I'm in all the time, and will be maybe one of my Savio John light, absolutely fun pieces.